Good morning, traders. Today is Friday, December 9th, 7:27 a.m. Central Time, probably about 2 to 3 minutes. The producer price index PPI number is going to be released, and I'm going to show that to you. But first, I have up on the screen here the futures market as I took it a few moments ago, and it is lining up perfectly, getting ready to potentially surge depending on the number and depending on the reaction, right? So as you see here at the top of your screen, this is SPY futures, and overnight it basically, during the day, it actually surged up and peaked and kind of floated down overnight, still staying above the zero line. This is a 30-minute chart. So this is actually good because it was basically, since the morning time yesterday, peaking, but then it kind of floated down the rest of the day and all into the night, consolidating, getting ready for today. Meanwhile, the prices overnight floated upwards, and now it's in a consolidation pattern right now. Okay, so without further ado, and this is the NASDAQ, by the way, NASDAQ futures, basically the identical pattern, almost identical twins. Okay, so with that, okay, so down here in the lower right hand corner, that's just the pre-market action right now. Actual negative 7.9. Oh wait, I'm sorry. Oh no, it refreshed on me. Hold on, that is not what I want. Friday. Okay, never mind. It negative 7.9. That I was like, that did not make sense at all. This is what number I was looking for. Okay, so any minute now, it's going to be released. And in the background, here's the VIX 5 minutes chart. On the left-hand side here, here's SPY right here, 5 minutes chart right there. And we're just going to watch the fireworks fly. No matter what happens, we're going to see the reaction to it. Okay? So, by the way, today, I'm only going to be covering for the next like 5 minutes because I actually have to leave for a dentist appointment. So, but honestly, these next few moments are going to set the tempo for the rest of the day, right? So it's pretty much as straightforward as that. Especially being on a Friday. Uh-oh, what happened? 7.4. Oh no. Oh no, look at that. It was hotter than expected. It was hotter than expected. 0.3, previous 0.3. So no, actually it was the same. It was the same as expected. And what is going on with the VIX here? Hold on a second. What's going on with the VIX? Okay. Why isn't the, well, that doesn't seem right. How come the VIX screen is not? Is VIX going down too? That's odd. Hold on. Switch over to a different view. At least the 5-minute view on SPY. Nonetheless, though, at least the SPY view. Yeah, that's what I thought. VIX should be surging up, but I don't see it. Oh, it gapped up there. Oh. It's gapping up. It's way up there. I'm switching to the 1-minute view. So, okay, see this here? It's trying to push itself up. Yep, 33.93. That's the important level. It's trying to hold it. Oh, come on. So PPI is expected, right? It's not expected. Well, actually it is met forecast previous. 393. This is the key level that I'm looking at right now. This is key. This is the key. 393 SPY. So, okay, see VIX earlier when I said it's gapping up. Okay, so now it's creating its second candle up there. Huge gap right here, though. Let's see what happens. Is that suggestive of one can interpret that as, well, you gapped up significantly. Typically, you're going to fall. You're going to fall and fill the gap. Okay, so let's just we need to let this play out. Very interesting. Gapping up versus surging up. That's basically what I'm going through mentally, talking out loud. Gapping up, not surging up. Like this one just surged down, right? Broke down. It didn't gap down. Interesting. Again, I'm watching this key level, this gray line right here. Absolutely essential. Absolutely essential. No questions. It must hold. It must hold. Granted, it's only been 3 minutes or so. It's holding so far, 394, 394.50. So somebody doesn't want this to end so far, but you never know about VIX. You never know about VIX. You can't count them out, right? Can't count them out. Producer price index. Core PPI is higher than consensus. Wow. Core PPI did go up. PPI year over year is down, though. Year over year, 7.4 to 8.1. And when I said core, yeah, month over month it went up. Year over year it's down. See, here we go. See, it's pushing it up, pushing it up, pushing it up. Interesting. But see, here we go. That's what I was commenting earlier. I was like, okay, you gapped up. Typically on a gap up means you're going to come down and fill it. However, the question is, okay, so assuming you fill the gap, VIX comes back down and fills the gap. Where does VIX stop? Where does the back test? Basically, it's back testing. You gapped up instead of surging up. Now you're back testing in the VIX. Where does VIX stop on the back test? Does it go below? Oh, in this case, it's the 1 minute, the 1 minute EMA 50 that I'm looking at right here. Man, I can switch over to the 5 minutes, see if we got some action. Maybe not yet, huh? Not well. Okay, finally got something going on here. So that's the question. How far down does it back test here? 2263 right now is the EMA 50. How far down does it back test? Or does it, yeah, see. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Or does it, right now it's not even back testing. Well, it did come down, but now it's pushing up. Oh boy. That's the key. SPY 393 period. Hands down. As you guys have seen my last night's video, 393 is the weekly simple moving average 20 SMA 20 line for all of 2022. That's why 393 is significant. And that's why, regardless of, it's almost, not regardless of, but considering the PPI number coming in right at forecast, year over year is down, but month over month is up. those considerations aside, SPY must hold 393 at all cost. At all cost. So, reading the tea leaves, and I've got to go in a couple minutes. So, reading the tea leaves, see, it's pushing down. Oh, SPY, the VIX it can't just keep going up. Otherwise, I mean, SPY is going to keep going down. I mean, that's the bottom line. Okay, so what needs to happen is it came down, it failed, obviously failing its EMA 50 line. Came down. Oh, this is the 65-minute EMA EMA 50, by the way. So it came down. Now what it must do is come back up to try to reclaim. I mean, it starts with the 65-minute EMA 50, in my opinion. You've got to come up and try to reclaim. Ultimately, to get the trend back, you must come up and reclaim 397.44. Well, it's going to come down a little bit, but because on the 5 minute chart, you have to reclaim that to get the trend back. There's no other choice now. Now, good news is there's a lot of wicking going on here. See that? Wicking up. But that's so far, right? That's so far. So, unfortunately, I've got to run, guys. So this is my analysis up until this point. We'll find out for the rest of the day. 393, guys. That's the bottom line. That's what you look for today. 393. It must hold. It must hold. Okay? I've got to run, guys. Thanks. Talk to you later.